Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels lag issue in 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. On the lower right side, click your profile icon, and on the upper right side, click the three bars icon and go to settings and privacy, and then scroll down, and under more info and reports, click help, and then under help, click report a problem. Then Instagram will show you a couple of steps on how to troubleshoot a problem. You can go to the problem and shake your phone, or report problem without shaking. So I choose report problem without shaking, and then click include and continue. And then you'll be routed to a page where you can put in what seems to be the problem or what your problem with the Instagram application. So I put in Reels lag issue, and make sure to be more specific on what seems to be the problem you've experienced with the Instagram application by putting it on the space provided. Once you're already done typing on the problem that you've experienced on the Instagram app, press or click the send on the upper right side, and then Instagram will process the bug issue that you'd been experiencing on the Instagram, and you can go back to home to test if the problem is fixed or not. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos.